What's going on, guys? So quick unboxing. In here is supposed to be the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. I ordered it from Boost Mobile. Let me see if I could show that on the tag without exposing my information. Alright, so let's see if I can get it in frame. You can see there, Boost is where it came from, because I have a line through Boost Mobile that I've had forever. It's just a simple 2 gig plan that I got with a hotspot, and they gave me a deal where I could upgrade, to a new phone. So I got this for $40. It's say on my 2 gig plan, and you guys are seeing basically what I'm going to see. So let me make sure there's nothing, no paperwork on the top. Phone box appears to be upside down, so let me just get this out of the way. Flip it over here. Good packaging. Oh, okay, there's no sensitive information on the bottom that I can see. So there it is. Interesting box. There it is on the front. Must be an exclusive box to like Boost Mobile, because all the boxes I see, they're like the plain white Samsung boxes. But let's go ahead and cut this seal. Get my knife back out. Cut the seal on this. Alright. Got a little pull tab here on the side. And then you can pause the video if you want to read the specs. I'll go over the specs when I do a review of the phone, so we'll go ahead and skip that for now. So everything's coming out. Alright, so it's wrapped up in like this fabric-y type stuff. So let's go ahead and get the peel here. And there is the phone. Set that off to the side. Let me flip it over. Is that black blue color. I like it. Blue is definitely my favorite color. And it's got the more squared off edges, like the S24 Ultra, which I think I have on me here. So it's got that more, these are like really more squared off than the Samsung. They still have like a very slight curve to it on my S24 Ultra. Let's see what else comes in the box. Alright, there it's turned on. It's got the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I don't know how I feel about that protrude there, but... And then there's your SIM slot. So it just comes with some paperwork, some compliance information, whatnot, and then a SIM removal tool and a USB cable, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my SIM card, which is in my, I think I have it on my iPad, and go ahead and get it hooked up here. But that's just a quick unboxing. And I will say, as a little bonus for the video, I went to add a line on Boost Mobile because they said I could get another line for as low as $5, and it was actually $10. And of course, here is the SIM card that they gave me. But you can see they gave me a white SIM card, even though the website showed a black SIM card, which is AT&T, and the white SIM card is for the T-Mobile network. So that's going to go on my iPad, and the one that's in my iPad is going on here. So thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one.